Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Seeraga Samba rice in an instant pot. First, measure out 1 cup of Seeraga Samba rice. It's important to rinse the rice well under cold, running water until the water is completely clear. This removes excess starch, which helps prevent stickiness. After rinsing, let the rice soak in fresh water for about 15 minutes. This step ensures even cooking and a perfect texture. Now, let's get cooking. Carefully drain the soaked rice and transfer it to your Instant Pot's inner pot. For every 1 cup of rice, you'll need to add 1.5 cups of water. Securely close the Instant Pot lid, making sure the sealing valve is set to the sealing position. Then, select the pressure cook or manual setting and set the cooking time for 6 minutes on high pressure. It's that simple. Once the cooking cycle is complete, do not open the lid immediately. Allow the Instant Pot to naturally release its pressure for 10 minutes. This natural release helps the rice finish cooking perfectly and prevents it from becoming mushy. After 10 minutes, carefully turn the valve to venting to release any remaining pressure. Finally, open the lid and gently fluff your beautifully cooked Seeraga Samba rice with a fork. Enjoy! For consistently perfect Seeraga Samba rice, remember a few key tips. Always stick to the 1 to 1.5 rice to water ratio. Rinsing and soaking are crucial steps for achieving that ideal, fluffy texture. After cooking, resist the urge to over-stir, as this can break the delicate grains. Serve your fragrant rice immediately with your favorite South Indian dishes and savor every delicious bite. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.